Hello, I'm Jette from the Fab Lab Enschede, and today I will guide you through the Roland SG2 print and cut machine tutorial. Open Adobe Illustrator and then open the document you want to make into a sticker. Have your design ready. This tutorial is not for creating the design itself. Select the entire design and copy everything so that we can make a duplicate of the design on another layer. Create a new layer and then paste what you've copied on the new layer. Once you have the design copied onto a new layer, you can lock the original layer by clicking in the box next to the eyeball on the Layers panel. This prevents you from accidentally modifying the original design. With the entire duplicated design selected, click on Object, Expand. This will take all of the elements in your design and turn them into shapes. For example, a red stroke with a white of 5 points would turn into a rectangle shape with a red fill. With everything still selected, navigate to the Pathfinder window and click the first button, called the Unite button. Once you click Unite, the design should all be converted into one solid shape, like shown. What we have created at this point is a solid shape that represents your design as a whole. Since we are making a sticker, we want there to be a slight margin of space around the whole shape so that the sticker stays in one piece and small details aren't lost. To start this process, select the shape and navigate to Effect, Path, Offset Path. This will create a path that borders your design at a distance that you specify. In order for VESAWorks to recognize our shapes as a cut line, we need to change the stroke to a specific spot color that VESAWorks understands. To create this color, click on the More button on the swatch window, then click New Color Swatch. With the new swatch window open, fill all colors in as seen. Magenta 100% is preferred for the color because it usually contrasts very well with anything and will be instantly not noticeable. Once you hit OK, the color should appear alongside all of the other swatches. Now, going back to our shape we created, select the shape and adjust your fill to clear, your stroke to the cut contour swatch, and the stroke weight to 0.25 pt. Also be sure to check that the opacity is set to 100%. You will now see our finished product. We have put our original design on the bottom layer and our new cut line on top. Now you can click on File, Save As. When the next window opens, choose EPS as your file type. Click Save. Next, the EPS options window will open. Just double check if all your settings are right. Afterwards, hit OK. To open your file on the other laptop, make sure to save it on a USB stick. Then open VESAWorks on the laptop connected with a Roland machine. When the program is open, click File, Add to Queue, QA. Now you can select your file from the USB stick. After opening your file, it should be visible in the queue. Double-click your file to open a new tab with the settings. Click on the Scissors button on the left, then select Print and Cut. Afterwards, click on the top left button to copy your sticker if more prints are wanted. After choosing the settings, click OK. Before we can print the stickers, make sure enough material is available. In another tutorial, it is explained how and with what material to load the Roland machine. Please watch this before trying to change the material yourself. After the material is checked, click on the Printing button. The machine will heat up and start printing. Do not open the glass door since that will stop the print. After the machine printed and cut your stickers, a sheet cut is necessary to cut the rest material off. For this, click Function, then down to Sheet Cut and enter. And this is how you can create your own stickers. We hope to see you soon.